This channel will take you to lots of interesting places.
Check out our introduction video in the description below. Hey Maple, are you having fun in the US?
Totally! It's been awesome! Your friend in New Jersey has taken us to so many popular and famous shops and restaurants.
I know, it's been so cool. What a wonderful vacation. Trader Joe's is a very popular grocery store chain here in the US.
It was so much fun for me to be in that store because the brand and packaging was so cute that I wanted to buy everything.
I totally agree.
They have a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables.
Yep, even though they have pretty reasonable pricing, Trader Joe's is still mostly focused on selling organic items.
These oil sprays were interesting.
Right? I've never seen them before in Japan. I got the avocado oil spray. I'm looking forward to using it.
Sounds good! I bought these as souvenirs.
Cool! I think that my friend recommended them, right? I'm sure your friends will love them. Whole Foods Market also has organic foods. It's kind of a high-end grocery store.
This store was large and had very nice displays. I saw a variety of meats, fish, vegetables, and fruits.
Yeah, everything looked really good. Even though items there are quite pricey, they're worth it because they're better for your health.
That's right. And I also saw lots of ready-to-eat dishes there.
Yeah, they've got a great selection of stuff, including pizzas, sandwiches, salads, and soups.
I saw a bakery there too. There were many kinds of cakes, cookies, donuts, and muffins.
I'm sure this grocery store is very useful for the busy people of this generation. Do you remember the Cheesecake Factory?
Of course! I liked the ambience. It was really comfy.
They've got so many types of cheesecakes.
It was amazing.
We had an early dinner there because the place is so popular that you usually have to wait a long time if you go there after 5.
I can tell why. Their food was great, especially their great variety of gorgeous cheesecakes. The cheesecake we ordered was so tasty.
Yeah, it was called the Classic Basque Cheesecake.
The berries and whipped cream added to the delicious flavor. Speaking of the US, hamburgers are a must.
Yep, my friend took us to a very popular hamburger franchise called Shake Shack. I heard that they have a few shops in Japan too.
Oh, really?
Not in Hamamatsu though.
Too bad because their hamburgers and fries were so good.
I ordered a double cheeseburger.
Yeah, it looked really good. Mine was the avocado bacon burger. I love avocado and it was awesome. We saw a lot of Dunkin Donuts coffee shops.
Yeah, it's obviously a donut shop, but they sell great coffee too.
You bought their coffee. How was it?
It was great. I bought a small coffee, but it was similar in size to a Japanese medium. I'm so used to Japanese sizes now, so it was a bit weird to see bigger sizes here. We also went to a movie theater.
Yep. We saw Avatar too.
We saw it in 3D, and it was extremely thrilling.
Yes. And I was impressed by US culture because people applauded at the end of the film.
Oh yeah, Japanese people don't applaud at the end of movies.
It was great to see people clapping their hands to show their appreciation for the movie.
Great to know that you learned of some of the cultural differences here. We've been having great experiences so far.
Yes, it's been impeccable.
Maple, you know we're going to Boston next. We'll take an interstate bus to get there.
Wow, sounds great. I'm so looking forward to some other new experiences there.